Are you someone who starts to sneeze, get watery eyes, itch or swell around certain pets, foods, or pollen? You guessed it right, it might be because you're allergic to these things. But don't worry, you're not alone. Having allergies is a pretty common problem. Each year, over 50 million Americans experience an allergy of some type. Allergies are the 6th most common cause of chronic illness in the United States. You can get allergies due to a lot of factors, the most common ones being pollen, dust, foods, and pets. With the world becoming so medically advanced these days, there are medications and injections you can use to treat it. But why go the artificial way, which has side effects, and it's expensive when you can treat it naturally without any chemicals, free of cost? So if running to the drugstore when allergies hit isn't your thing, try out some of these home remedies to take care of your allergies naturally. Don't forget to subscribe to Bestie and click the notification bell icon for future notifications. So, without any further ado, let me tell you about the natural ways in which you can cure your allergies. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Is there anything that apple cider vinegar can't do? Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a great natural remedy for allergies. Just mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and lemon juice and drink 3 times a day to relieve allergy symptoms. Simple and easy to make. Number 2. Butterbur. You may not have heard a lot about butterbur. It's an herb which comes from a European shrub. European clinical studies have demonstrated that it contains quercetin, which can block allergy-causing chemicals in the body. It's been shown to be as effective as leading allergy drugs of today. You can take it in the form of a pill or mix it into your tea. We told you, natural is the way to go. Number 3. Natural honey. If you've heard that honey is a natural remedy for allergies, you heard right. Studies have shown that honey contains traces of flower pollen, which is an allergen, and one treatment for allergies is repeated exposure to small amounts of allergens. You can have honey any way you want, from mixing it into your food and drink or just eating a tablespoon or 2 raw. Sweet, right? Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice not very common in the Western countries, but with its growing popularity and natural health benefits, it can now be found at grocery stores everywhere. Turmeric contains curcumin, which acts as a decongestant and helps reduce allergy symptoms. Studies have shown it to be as effective as some drugs for allergies. You can mix turmeric while preparing your food or in milk. Tastier and healthier. Number 5. Nettle Leaf. Hearing this name for the first time? Although not so popular, nettle leaf is a shrub that comes from Northern Europe and Asia. It's a natural anti-allergic that can be very effective as it naturally blocks your body's ability to produce allergy-causing chemicals. You can take it in the form of tincture or tea, but for allergy relief, capsules made from dried nettle leaves are the easiest and most effective option. Number 6. Garlic. Having been cultivated for centuries, garlic has been recommended for many different ailments, including allergies. Garlic, unbelievably, is the anti-allergic superfood that has the ability to help relieve and treat those allergy symptoms. It helps the immune system work normally by attacking allergens and removing them completely from the bloodstream naturally. You can eat garlic in any form, and for the brave ones, eat it raw. Number 7. Rosemary. Fresh and dried rosemary has become a popular ingredient of dishes in recent times. Studies show rosemary contains rosmarinic acid, which can suppress allergy-causing chemicals in the body. You can eat it as a supplement or mix it in your food. Although it's advisable to go the food way, as a supplement may cause your stomach to ache. Number 8. Probiotics. Probiotics is the buzzword in natural food these days because of its many health benefits, and lucky for us, fighting allergies is one of them. Sometimes allergies occur due to the body's immune system being imbalanced, causing you to have a more severe reaction to pollen, dust, and grass. Probiotics give your immune system a boost by introducing beneficial bacteria into your digestive tract. You can fulfill your probiotics requirement by eating fermented foods like kimchi, kombucha, or yogurt. They make yummy additions to nearly any meal. Number 9. Orange foods. You must be asking yourself, what are orange foods? Well, to answer you, It can be anything from papayas, oranges, carrots, to sweet potatoes. These foods are super high in beta-carotene, which helps to combat allergies by building our immune system and strengthening it. Look out for those orange-colored foods the next time you visit the grocery store, and no, Fanta does not count as an orange-colored food. Number 10. Distilled water. Water in any form is good for you, but in the case of allergies, we'll only talk about distilled water. As you might know, over half your body's made up of water, and part of water's job is to flush toxins out of your system. This makes water one of the most natural remedies for allergies. Drink lots of water and be allergy and pharmacy free. Number 11. Neti pots. How can pots help allergies? Let me clear that up for you. Neti pots are small vessels shaped like Aladdin's lamp used to flush the sinuses and keep them clear. I know, it's an idea that could take some getting used to for most Westerners, but it's a bit like using a nasal spray. A little dose of salt water can rinse away those prickly pollen grains and help treat allergies. Just last year, a study found that nasal flushing was a mild and effective way to treat allergies. Don't worry, neti pots are widely available online and at natural food stores. I mean, seriously, what could be simpler than rinsing away allergens with salt water? Number 12. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil for allergies works by improving detoxification of harmful bacteria and toxins that can trigger an allergy attack. You can use eucalyptus oil for allergy relief in a variety of ways, from inhaling it via neti pots, in your laundry detergent, or just rubbing it on your chest and behind your ears. A little trick, but worth the effort. Number 13. Citrus fruit drinks. As many of you may have felt, the majority of allergies happen during the spring when the scorching heat of the sun gets harsher with each passing day. Citrus fruit drinks contain a good amount of vitamin C, which aids in fighting allergies by boosting your immune system, so make sure you include these fruits or their juices in your daily diet. Number 14. Red onion water. I know this may not sound very appetizing, but drinking red onion water would do you a world of good. Onions contain a water-soluble chemical compound called quercetin, which is known to reduce the amount of allergens produced by the body, therefore reducing symptoms of allergies. Onion is nature's version of an anti-allergen. Quercetin also opens up the airways to help you breathe easier during allergy attacks. Just close your nose and gulp down that glass of red onion water. Now, the next time you have those annoying allergies, instead of rushing off to the drugstore and spending your hard-earned money, you know what to do. Have you ever tried any of the natural remedies that we've mentioned in today's video? Let us know in the comment section today. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.